Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video on the 2025 Tesla Model X, in the style of Ruksha vibes, without headings, visuals, or a host voice. It flows naturally with contemplative pauses and lively commentary. You step into the 2025 Tesla Model X and immediately feel the subtle hum. It's not just the quiet electric powertrain, it's a promise. A promise that luxury, performance, and technology can coexist under one sculpted roof. No ordinary SUV, this is the Tesla Model X, reborn for 2025 with a fresh glow on its falcon wings. Let's talk what's new. You might have heard whispers. Tesla quietly revamped both the Model S and Model X in June 2025. The price tag climbed about $5,000 across trims. In return, you get front bumper cameras, new LED ambient lighting with custom animations, active noise cancellation, and added cargo space, 2.5 cubic feet extra in the X's third row. Underneath, Tesla hasn't reinvented the wheel, but they've finessed it. The Model X long range delivers roughly 352 miles EPA, up from about 335. The Plaid version, with its tri-motor setup, now hits 335 miles EPA, up from around 314. Yes, it added about 183 pounds. Tesla made it heavier, but that's the trade-off for insulation and refinement. That's the magic of modern EV engineering: more range, quieter cabin, but marginal weight gain. The extra mass dampens road noise, especially with active noise cancellation humming away. Tesla also optimized aerodynamics, tweaked bumpers and side sills, and new suspension settings smooth out highway crests. But what about raw numbers? According to Cars Direct, base Model X AWD delivers 670 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.8 s, top speed 155 miles per hour. Plaid, we hit 1020 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.5 s, top speed 163 miles per hour. Kelley Blue Book confirms. Standard gives 329 mile range, Plaid 314, based on a 100 kWh battery. Motor Donkey echoes those in-depth figures, and notes the Plaid's leaning only short by approximately 20 miles despite the heavy powertrain. Now, here's where you feel the Tesla difference, not just numbers, but sensation. Interior tech remains peerless. 17-inch landscape touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital gauges, rear seat 8-inch screen, Wi-Fi hotspot, 22-speaker 960-watt sound system. Ambient LED lighting dances across the dash. It's not kitschy, it's expressive. Storage. A cavernous 81.7 cubic feet with seats down. The frunk, gives 6.5 cubic feet more. Safety and autonomy. Tesla's always been aggressive. Standard autopilot, with lane centering, adaptive cruise, emergency braking, blind spot detection, cross-traffic alert, check. Full self-driving FSD is an $8,000 option, serviced by Tesla's camera-based HW4 computer. HW4's power, 3 to 8x that of HW3, FSD version 13.2.8 is rolling out now. Checkered flag personal takes. A Redditor shared, greater than, I just took delivery of my 2025 Model X, running FSD 13.2.8 and ASS, and all I can say is, this is next level. The driving experience feels incredibly refined, smoother, and just better in every way. There's also a community buzz about the cabin. It's refined, quiet, yet still Tesla. Some drivers love it, others notice it's much louder for road and wind noise than premium luxury gas cars. Let's talk falcon wing doors. Yes, still iconic, still tricky in tight spaces, but no change mechanically. You still open them via a button, touchscreen, or key fob. And if you hold the physical button, they rise fully, without on-screen input. Options. Standard or Plaid. Standard offers 5 to 7 seat config, full rear row optional for $3,500. Plaid is 6 seats only, 2 rows of captains and a full rear bench, performance-centric. Prices, before incentives. Base $89,990 for long-range AWD 2-row. $93,490 for 3-row, Plaid at $104,990. Some sources say initial base was $79,990 but may have updated. List and on the road can differ. Globally, in Pakistan, imported units land at -2 Pakistani rupees and 47 paise -2.77 crore US $160,000 180k. Locally, import duties and dealer markups drive that high sticker. Charging speed. Peak 250 kilowatts DC through superchargers. Tesla again claims approximately 171 miles of range in 15 minutes. Home charging via 240V adds about 14 hours for a full charge.